In this video, we take a look at how an outbound delivery with an EWM managed storage location can be processed on the EWM side. Currently, the delivery has already been posted in ERP and distributed to EWM. Additionally, we assume that the storage location of the product to be delivered is already known. Open the transaction /n/scwm/PRDO. In the drop-down menu of the search field, select Delivery Order and enter the delivery number created in the ERP system in the adjacent field. Click the Execute Search button. The delivery order will now appear in the upper of the two large fields. The individual items of the order are listed in the lower field. In this case, the ordered material will be delivered without further processing, such as packing. Ensure that the delivery and the associated items are selected, then click on Delivery Order. Follow-on functions, Warehouse task. Under the Proposed Values section, enter the source storage bin. Click the Create button. The status has now changed and no errors have occurred. Click Save. The warehouse task has now been created. The warehouse worker would now move the respective order to the selected destination storage bin and confirm this afterward. To do this, select Warehouse Task. Confirm. Click Confirm and Save. Press back twice. The material is now in the Goods Issue area. Click the Goods Issue button. The goods issue process is now complete. The departure of the material from the warehouse can now be tracked using various transactions. Open the transaction MMBE. Fill in the fields, material, plant, and storage location to make the display more concise. Click Execute. In the expanded menu tree, highlight the lowest level. In the menu bar, select Environment. Material Movements. In the displayed list, the goods issue can be tracked. At the very top, you can see the recently posted goods issue, which was triggered by the delivery. Red indicates a goods issue, while green indicates a goods receipt. Now you can open the material document by double-clicking on its number.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.